Animation has grown a shockingly large amount over the past couple of years. I'm included in that. I just started making animations recently and I've grown to love it. Although I've only posted one long form, I've posted a couple of shorts, and it's really fun. But getting started really felt like a hassle. When I first started, it took so long to figure out what the heck was going on here, and just how to get started in general. So this is my guide to getting started making animations. Hi, I'm Galactic Life. I like to animate, do live streams, and game. I'm not the best at animating, and I'm still getting started myself, but I hope you can get started as well. That's why this is my guide to animation. Step 1. The software. The software is your base for everything to animate. I recommend Krita, which is a free beginner-friendly animation software. I'll put the link in the description so that you can download it for free and be able to start animating quickly. I also recommend a drawing tablet or a pad so that you can draw 10 times easier without the hassle of using a mouse. After installing and setting up Krita, you need to make sure you install FFmpeg. FFmpeg is the software that will take all the frames of your animation and turn them into a video. You will need this for animating. Once you have it downloaded, just put it on your desktop for now. Next, click New Image and set image to 1920 by 180p. Then set the resolution to 50 or higher depending on your PC. Leave it at 50 if your computer is a potato. Once you're done, click Create and go to Page, Settings, Dockers, and then enable these settings. The next step is layers. Depending on what you're animating, you will need a certain amount of layers. For mine, I use 5 layers, besides the background. One for your body, arms, mouth, eyes, and an extra one for good measure. Once you make all of the layers, make sure to add the blank frames to set it up for the animation. And it should show up with this light bulb icon when you're ready. Then you can start animating. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe. No, I'm just kidding. First, make your body and arms. Make sure to put them on different layers, then eyes, and then once you have the entire animation done for all of that, do lip syncing. I normally use this lip syncing chart if you want to pause the video and screenshot it, or you can find your own or make one. Once you are completely done with your animation and everything is good, go to File and Render Animation, and then you can upload that to YouTube. Thank you so much for watching this video, and be sure to tag me with your animations so I can see what you created. If this video helped, consider subscribing, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.